This year, a message has been spread across Cymru, from little boys with big dreams to big kids who never stop dreaming. Familiar faces of song and of scream. From schoolyards to the village streets. O bob Cymro I bob Cymraes I gofio dathlu ein heniaeth. 20,000 messages, not for 23 men, but for you this year, while the world is talking about Wales. Cofiwch Gymru. When you're shouting, screaming for Wales, remember to shout.
Come on, Cymru!
When you're shouting for Bale, shout. When you're surrounded by your countrymen in the dying minutes of the game, always shout.
Come on, Cymru!
That word is our name, and that name is our identity. Do not let it die. Pass it on. I'r heniaeth, bar